in audio.
Presenting the Argo continuous mesh, belt conveyor type, annealing furnace, engineered for precision, built for performance. Designed for continuous heat treatment of ferrous and non-ferrous components, this furnace ensures uniform annealing through a high-grade stainless steel mesh belt conveyor. Integrated with advanced PLC or PID controllers, it offers reliable temperature control and energy efficiency for consistent production cycles. Custom-built to meet your industrial needs, Argo furnaces are trusted across automotive, fastener, tool, and metalworking industries. Backed by ISO 9001-2015 and CE certification, every unit is manufactured to the highest standards of quality and safety. Upgrade your heat treatment process with Argo's engineering excellence and over 40 years of experience. Contact Argo Thermodyne Company, Pina Industrial Area, Bangalore. Visit argothermodyne.com. Also find us on YouTube at Argo Therm.
In audio.